Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, guys. I know I have been missing in action on this channel. A lot has been going on, guys. If you are working online currently, you know that it has been hard, it has been difficult, especially finding clients, guys. Oh my God, you can actually sleep hungry on these streets. It has been really hard, but now I'm glad to be back. I hope that I will be consistent from now going forward. So if you're here for the first time, please remember to subscribe to this channel, guys. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, and anything good that will develop you. So if that is the kind of content you're looking for, just remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and yeah, share me out. So now I have some good news for myself. Yeah, so I got a client, thankfully, and I just want to show you. I actually got a client on Upwork. So she's my former client, and sometimes when desperate times calls for desperate measures, you have to go back to your former clients and sometimes ask them if they have work. And luckily, that is what I did. And she was hiring at the moment, and so I got myself a job. So now let us go on Upwork. So guys, we are on my Upwork account, and so this is the account, the whatever the client, guys. Anne has been was actually one of my best clients ever since I started writing and even started on Upwork. So now this was the contract after I emailed her. Luckily, by the way, she's a content manager, so luckily she had just started a project. You can see an up and coming website in the educational entertainment assessment space. Is looking to build its knowledge base with quality informative content. So wherever the job posting goes to read the job posting for a trial assessment to find a few writers who we can rely upon to help us build a site content. Writers will be provided with a detailed specs sheet. So now the good thing is that the pay for this job is very good. In terms of word count, we are thinking that it will take about 750 to 1,000 words to cover the topics. And then I'm looking at where the pay is mentioned. Where is the pay mentioned? Why work with us? You'll be working directly with a project content manager who has been on both sides of the fence with over 10 years on the Upwork platform, working as a writer and editor. That is Anne. We pay on a scale depending upon the quality of the content and how much time is involved on our side editing the article. Currently, the top pay for 1,000 word is $150, broken down into specific nights. So the one thing I love about working with Anne is that she doesn't pay per word. As a freelancer, you know that sometimes paying per word just doesn't work, because now there are just those projects that are complex and like you can't just charge per word. So that is one thing I love about her. She charges per project, like per article, depending on the complexity. So now 1,000 words is $150. Of course, the first one, when you submit the job, she pays you $50, and then after editing, she pays you, unless an article is completely unusable. So this $50, you'll get it no matter, even if the quality is not so good. And then unless it is very poor that it's unusable, that is when she can reject it. And then so this payment is guaranteed. And then if the content is good, of course she will go ahead and pay you the other 50 after you have submitted. And then after editing, she will add you the other 50 now, depending on the whatever, on the time that she has spent on editing your work. So this the last $50 is dependent on how much time she takes to edit your work. You can get $20, $25, $30, now depending on the time. So now that is the job, guys. I'm so happy that I get to work with her again, because she's a very nice woman, by the way, very understanding, very friendly, and her rates are not that bad. So finally I am happy that I have a job, guys. I know it is not easy, by the way. Currently, if you are a writer out there, you understand what I'm talking about. We just have to keep it going and hope that things will pick up. So if you don't have clients currently, guys, I urge you, go back to your former clients, ask them if they have work. Also, endeavor to build up on your skills. If you are a content writer, you can also be a social media marketer. You can also be content manager. You can also just let your clients know that you can also post the content on their WordPress blog and even do the promotion and all that. So diversify, because right now with the chat GPT and the rest, it's gonna be hard, but we have to survive somehow. Yeah, yes. So guys, that's it on today's video. I hope you have been inspired. I hope you can tell me in the comments section down below how you're faring on as a freelance writer, if you are finding clients easily. I don't know, just how you are doing currently. I would like to hear from you and also learn from you. So please share in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Bye.